Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Android device. Now let's get right into the video. The first step you want to be taking would be to clicking the rectangle button at the bottom of your screen and closing off all the apps that are currently running in the background by swiping up. The next step would be to go to settings, and in settings you want to go to apps and notifications, as you can see here. No, that's not what I want. And in here, you want to go to click See All Apps, which opens up all the apps. And now you want to scroll down to find Chrome, as you can see here, Chrome. And now under Chrome app information, you want to go to storage and cache. There you go. The first step we would be taking would be to clear the cache over here on the right. Click Clear Cache. This might take some time because I have a bunch of cache in here. There you go. Cleared our cache. And the next step would be to go to clear storage. And as you can see here, you want to clear all data. You want to click OK if your Google Chrome is not opening. For me it is, so I'll click cancel. You want to clear all the data. Once you've done that, you can close off your settings, go to your Play Store and search for Chrome. There you go. If your Google Chrome could be updated, it wouldn't say open but update. You want to update your Chrome browser app. Once you've done that, the next step would be to restart your phone. And once you're back in here, after restarting your phone, you can open up your Google Chrome and it should open up no problem. I hope this fix to Google Chrome not opening on Android device helped you out. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe. Bye.